Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to connect HubSpot and Zoho. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself. So it is an opportunity that should not be missed. Alright, so now let's just jump on to our process. So in your HubSpot account, click on the marketplace icon in the main navigation bar, and then you're going to be selecting app marketplace. So search for one of the following Zoho integrations. So Zoho have multiple integrations going on, and from them you can choose any. So you can see we have the list in here, and search for any, and if any pops up you can use. So in the top right, click on install app. In the dialog box, click next, and select a domain from the drop down menu and click next. You will be redirected to the Zoho in a new window. Review the requested permissions, then click accept. Once you've approved the requested permission, you will be redirected back to HubSpot. Then click on set up a sync and to set up your sync settings, or do this later to finish the process. Now, the important point to be noted here is that if you're connecting Zoho CRM, you need to have a modified by field added to Zoho CRM objects you want to sync to HubSpot. And after connecting the integration, you can easily configure your synchronization settings and mapping your properties. So that is the process, and make sure to comment down below your thoughts on this. And yeah, make sure to do check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial for yourself on HubSpot. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So see you in the next one.